Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 of my best tips to make you feel instantly more attractive. Looking beautiful requires a certain bit of upkeep, and I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy tips that are definitely going to take you there. I follow these tips myself. I believe in all of these tricks that help me feel confident, more beautiful, and show up as my best self. So let's elevate ourselves together and get into some of my favorite tips. The first tip to make you feel amazing is to break a sweat and just exercise, you guys. I cannot tell you how good it is to work out. It is truly a transformative journey. It makes you feel amazing. It's more mental than physical because you release so much happy hormones. Nobody regrets a workout session. Do something that makes you break a sweat. Some people like to run. Some people like to go on a walk around their block. Some people like to swim. Some people like to hit the gym and do some strength training. Some people like to dance. Whatever works for you, whatever makes you want to move your body and do something to get in shape, because trust me, this is not my opinion, this is just a fact. People that take care of themselves and people that are in shape tend to be a lot more attractive. That is just how the world works. Working out gives you great posture. Working out improves your skin because of the sweating. Working out improves your blood circulation. You get beautiful hair, you feel good, you release happy hormones. It's all amazing. So whether you want to hear it or not, this is one of my first and most important tips on how to be instantly more physically attractive, because I believe that everybody should be in their best shape. You do not have to aspire to be like someone else, just aspire to be the best version of you. And trust me, the pain that you feel from exercise is much better than the pain that comes from feeling sick, not being able to move your body, taking medicines and all of that, because who wants that? So take care of yourself and be healthy. Now for my second tip, I think another most important thing that I like to keep in mind is to take care of my skin. We've all faced some hyperpigmentation issues, and achieving an even skin tone is usually one of the biggest skin concerns for most people. Now of course, since skincare is my forte, I have the perfect solution for you. Get ready to glow with the Derma Transelac Pigmentation Corrector Face Wash. Made to tackle hyperpigmentation, acne and dull skin tone. This powerhouse formula combines the magic of 1% tranexamic acid and 1% azelaic acid with a gentle fragrance-free cleanse that removes impurities, dirt and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. I take a pea-sized amount of this face wash and work it into my skin in a circular motion. You can use this twice a day, morning and night. This face wash has improved my skin clarity, reduced acne and redness, and calmed my irritated skin. Derma has also come up with the revolutionary Transelac Pigmentation Corrector Serum, which tackles hyperpigmentation like a pro. It contains 3% tranexamic acid and 10% azelaic acid. This hyperpigmentation corrector serum fights pigmentation, melasma, acne, and gives you radiant, even toned skin. This serum has gently removed my dead skin and darkened cells while promoting a more even overall skin tone. I like to use this after washing my face and applying my toner. I just take one pump of this serum and spread it all over my face until absorbed. This serum is sulfate, dye, paraben, and mineral oil free. Now with any active, I highly recommend you to protect your skin from the sun. These ingredients will only give you the result that you need if you diligently apply your sunscreen every day, since unchecked exposure to the sun can truly damage your skin. I have talked about the Derma 1% hyaluronic long-lasting sunscreen before, and I cannot put it down. This 1% hyaluronic long-lasting sunscreen comes with SPF 50 and PA4 pluses. It protects your skin from the harsh UVA and UVB rays for 6 whole hours. It offers the highest PA protection out there, which is great if you're looking to avoid tanning. No white cast and no need for any frequent reapplications either. This sunscreen deeply hydrates my skin, keeping dryness at bay. It is non-greasy, sweat and water resistant. What more do you need? I love that this is dye-free, paraben-free and mineral oil-free. In fact, all products from the Derma are fragrance-free. You can score these and other fantastic skincare items from the Derma website and at 20% off using my code. These products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple. The Derma is also making a huge difference in the scientific community with their Young Scientists initiative. Each time you place an order on their website, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi Foundation. Having beautiful skin means that you will have to wear less makeup and you're also gonna feel your best attractive self even at your most comfortable. Now let's move on to the third tip. For my third tip, since I'm also a fashion girly, I think dressing up makes so much difference. Clothes can become your identity. Clothes are a way to express yourself. Clothes can put you in the mood for things. For example, when I don't want to work out, I just put on my gym wear and that instantly changes my mindset. Because now I'm in my gym clothes, so I just have to show up at the gym. Or when I'm sitting around at home, I'm never in my torn, old, faded clothes. I like to wear cute pajamas, satin one pieces or skater dresses or matching lounge sets that make you feel a little bit more elevated. So you don't have to dress up in like blazers and boots all the time, but make sure you put a little bit of thought in your everyday clothing as well. When you're in your oversized loose t-shirts at home, yes, you feel comfortable, but you're also not feeling your most beautiful, When you put on a dress and you feel sexy, it makes you feel so much better, and that shows. You actually look more attractive when you put just a little bit of effort. Put on some matching sets, put on some satin PJs, put on a skater dress at home. You'll also notice that the people around you treat you a little bit better and a little bit differently just because you've put that effort in yourself. Tip number 4 is to do your hair. Now, doing your hair can mean just styling them with a blow dryer, or maybe getting a haircut at the salon that suits your face shape, or maybe getting a hair color that makes you feel a little bit more confident. Because for me, this is like the kind of color that I like to have in my hair. I've tried like having my hair really dark shade, I've tried coloring my hair red, and while it is fun to experiment with my hair every now and then, this makes me feel the most beautiful. And when I have blow dried my hair and they're looking nice and wavy, I can wear less makeup and I can just put on a dress and leave my hair out, and it makes me feel super sexy and super done up. Maybe get a deep conditioning every now and then, get a blowout, get a hair spa, or even do your hair at home. Learn how to do your own hair yourself on YouTube. There are so many tutorials that will teach you how you can make your own hair look its best. And these things might sound superficial, you guys, but they totally work. Do your hair, put on a dress, take care of your skin, work out. These are the 4 things that I've shared with you till now. If you do just these 4 things, you're gonna feel so much better about yourself, and you will see that the world treats you differently when you show up as your best self. Coming on to tip number 5, I'm going to talk about good hygiene, where let's hope all of you have a bath at least once a day. We have to shower once a day, guys. Come on, let's be realistic. Showering once a day is a bare minimum, but you can definitely take it up a few notches, making sure that your hair smells great. You have a signature scent. Don't forget your deodorant. Your breath smells nice. All of that is a part of you. When you hug someone and their hair smells amazing and their perfume smells great and their mouth is minty fresh, it's just a whole other feeling, you guys. A person doesn't have to be like conventionally attractive, but if they go around you and you get this whiff of amazing scent coming from a person, that just takes up their attraction factor so many notches. It matters to me so much how someone smells. So if someone smells good, I'm instantly more attracted to them. So put a little bit of more effort in your grooming and make sure that you're always smelling your best and you never smell bad, because bad smell is really difficult to come out of. If you have bad BO and if you have bad breath, it's just very difficult to come out of that and change your impression. If you've left that impression on somebody, please guys, take care of your hygiene and smells, and trust me, it really makes a difference. Tip number 6 is mastering a signature look. Now that could be different for everyone. If you feel you're most beautiful in a dress, then it could be a dress for you. I personally feel really comfortable in a skater dress or in a crop top and jeans. So when I don't know what I'm gonna wear, I have this foolproof outfit ready. Doesn't take me hours to decide. I don't have to stress about it. I always have these few outfits ready because they are my signature look, right? I have perfected a signature look. Your signature look can also be your signature makeup look, where I love doing a little bit of lip, a little bit of blush, doing my hair a little wavy, some mascara, maybe even colored lenses. All of that makes me feel really beautiful about myself. Perfect your signature look. Try out a few makeup looks, see what looks good on you, and that could be your signature look. Something that just takes you 10 minutes to do, an outfit that takes you 5 minutes to pick out and put on. That's just gonna make getting ready so much faster, so much easier, and will make you feel so much more confident when you have a signature look. For me, it's just a little bit of no makeup and a skater dress, or if not a skater dress and heels, then a crop top and jeans. And in the winter time, I just put a blazer on top of it. So it's like a no thought kind of look, where I've worn this so many times, I've done this so many times, that now it just takes me 10 minutes to do my makeup and 5 minutes to find my outfit, because I know that this always works. I'm not gonna be wearing it and feeling like, oh, I look short in this, or I don't feel good in this, or I can't eat in this. You know, all of those issues have been solved with this trial and error of constantly coming up with a look that always works and makes me feel my best. So figure out what that look is for you. It could be a formal outfit for you. It could be like a bodycon sexy dress. It could be a skirt. It could be, you know, a red lip that makes you feel amazing. Signature look is gonna be very, very individual. It's gonna be different for everyone, but that's where trial and error comes in. You know, you have to experiment and find out what your signature look is. Tip number 7 is doing your nails. Now, if you don't want to go to the salon and if you don't want to have these long nails, just make sure that your nails are trimmed, your nails are not dirty, and they are properly groomed and filed, and there are no hangnails, there are no sharp bits coming out of your nails. Oh my god, you guys, please take care of your nails. I personally love going to the salon every now and then and getting my nails done. It's just like a me time activity for me. It makes me feel so good, and because I work on the camera, I show products a lot, I'm talking to you a lot, I'm very, very animated with my hands. Even when I'm talking to people in real life, I'm talking a lot with my hands all the time. So it really makes me feel more confident when I know that my hands are going to be looking presentable and they're going to be looking nice. Right now I have this red kind of French situation going on. It's more Valentine than winters, honestly, but this is not really my signature. This is like going out of my comfort zone for me, because I hate color on my nails. I just get different variations of French nails. I'll get a circle French, or I'll get a V French, or I'll get some kind of variation with French nails. But this time I thought I'll get a red French, which I'm gonna tell you, I'm probably just gonna go get a white French next, because I feel it's so sophisticated, it's so elegant, it goes with everything. So if I had to pick like a signature nail look, I would totally do my French nails all the time, every time. It makes your decisions easy as well. Every time I go to the nail salon, I'm not sitting there thinking about what I'm gonna do. I just know I'm gonna do a French. It's so easy to do that, and it goes with every look, which is also very important for me, because I'm working on camera, I'm trying out different outfits, I'm doing different makeup looks. If I have these nails that are clashing with everything, it can make me feel very conscious about myself. So I love having groomed, moisturized hands, filed, professionally done nails. But you don't need to have them professionally done, like I said. Just learn how to do your nails yourself. You could do a little bit of nail paint, make sure it's not chipped, carry your nail paint around, so if it chips you could just reapply. Or if you don't want any nail paint, just keep your nails trimmed and groomed and clean. And that is all, you guys. Because dirty nails are such a turn off, and please do not have dirty nails. I do clean the bottoms of my nails as well, because I just cannot bear the thought of having dirty nails. So I always clean the bottoms of my nails with a brush every single day. I am a little bit freaky when it comes to cleanliness. I do wash my hands upwards of 50 times a day. I'm not joking, you guys. I do that. So my nails are pretty much clean all the time, but I still take an extra effort of cleaning them with a brush, just making sure there are no dirt in the underside of my nails as well. Tip number 8. Have you finished your 8 glasses of water today? Are you dehydrated? Guys, we are 70% water. We need 8 glasses of water just to function at optimum levels. 10 glasses of water is great, but 8 glasses of water is the bare minimum that you need to do for yourself. Water is the end all be all for me. I cannot live without 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day. I drink water like a fish. Water is my favorite drink. I do not drink any sodas that have extreme sugar. I don't like to drink a lot of packaged juices. In fact, I love preparing juices at home with watermelons, apples, pomegranates. I don't really drink coffee. Water is just the best, you guys. Water is irreplaceable. Water is essential. We cannot live without water. So why are you ignoring water? Why are you not having enough water? Water improves brain function. It's easier to focus when you have water in your system, to work out when you have water in your system. You need to hydrate your body, and you will see the results of drinking optimum levels of water on your skin as well. Drink all the water, flush out all the toxins, and that is the way to live a healthy, happy life and be more attractive. Please do not ignore your water bottles. It's crying in the corner right now looking at you, but pick it up, fill it up, and drink it up. Tip number 9 is just to be a little bit more confident about yourself. Because who are you going to replace you with? You are you. There is no other you in this world. Instead of wanting to be like someone else, why don't you try and be a little bit more like you? If you don't immediately feel confident about yourself, try to figure out the why. Are you not confident because you don't feel great about your skin, or you don't feel great about your hair, or you don't feel great about your body? All of that can be fixed, you guys. You have one life. Why don't you make the most of what this body has to offer you? Your body does so much for you. Your body keeps diseases out. Your body keeps you alive every single day. You need to give love back to your mind and your body. And make sure you're doing things that are good for you, doing things that make you feel more confident. And you know what? If you don't, just fake it till you make it. Just like they say, dress up for the job you want, not for the job you have. Stand tall, you guys. There's only one you. When you enter a room, you should command the room. Go ahead and greet everyone. Don't stand in the corner waiting for other people to come to you. Confident people are charming people. Confident people are more secure in themselves, and that is what just makes them instantly attractive. Stand in front of the mirror, stand tall, wear your best outfit, say some affirmations, say good things to yourself, and accept and work on improving things that are going to make you feel more confident. Last but not the least, my 10th tip is just to smile. Happy people are more attractive people, you guys. You look a lot more approachable, you look a lot more beautiful when you're smiling. Aren't you just more attracted to people that make you laugh and have a great sense of humor? Even if they're not conventionally attractive, having a great sense of humor can make someone immediately more interesting. So smile, have a sense of humor, and approach the world with a more positive attitude. Show up as your confident self, and you will notice that the world will treat you differently when you yourself treat you differently. Change around us cannot happen unless change comes from the inside. And I hope you learned something interesting in this video, because this is a topic I've been wanting to touch on. And since I'm now in my early 30s, I have discovered these tips and tricks and understood how to go about life in a more confident way, how to be more attractive, how to feel more attractive, how to present myself a certain way. And trust me, you can too. We are all a work in progress. We are all constantly improving ourselves. We are all constantly learning. We are all constantly growing. The fact that you're here, you're watching this video, means that you've accepted that something needs to change in order for you to feel more attractive, in order for you to look more attractive. And trust me, it is in your hands. You can make all of these changes. You can work on everything that's going to improve your confidence, remove that self-doubt, and have you look so much more attractive to the rest of the world. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the Derma products to achieve your best skin. Check out my Instagram for some fun BTS. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.